Honeywell creates technology that makes the world safer, smarter, and more sustainable. We focus on 3 megatrends: automation, energy transition, and the future of aviation. We are a full-stack system software company, ingesting billions of transactions every day. Our engineers need the latest and greatest tools at their fingertips to do this. And that is why we standardize our tech stack on GitHub.
With GitHub Copilot, we can push boundaries because we have streamlined our most repetitive tasks with intelligent code suggestions that let us focus on more complex problems and drive innovation.
After we introduced GitHub Copilot, we could focus on architecture design principles and compatibility rather than writing boilerplate code.
I use GitHub to focus on driving customer needs and to save time and work on other initiatives where I can work with customers.
Right now, Copilot is helping us accelerate our experimentation by providing optionality and helping us build in hours instead of months.
With this increased efficiency, we have been able to deliver more innovation at high speed.
Now I can focus my time and energy on building the platform to transform Honeywell into a leading software industrial company.
GitHub Copilot is helping multiply our developers' brains. It helps build high-quality code, and it increases my confidence in our production readiness. We are not just building a safer, smarter, and more reliable future. We are building it more efficiently than ever before, because we believe that the future is what we make it.